Here's exactly what I'd do if I had $10,000 to invest right now. What I'm about to tell you goes against everything your parents, your teachers, and even every financial advisor on the internet has ever told you about money. And I can say this with confidence because I've actually done it. I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. That's cash collected and most of it was profit. So when I talk about what to do with your first $10,000, I'm not speaking from theory, I'm speaking from experience. Here's the first thing. If you were to invest your money traditionally, say putting $300 a month into the stock market, you won't be waiting literal decades before that money changes anything about your life. And I know people love to preach long-term investing like it's the only path that exists. Index funds, compound interest, set it and forget it. But they completely ignore the brutal math behind it. Even if you're disciplined and you save and invest consistently every single month, you're looking at 20 to 30 years before that money becomes a sum that actually matters. That's not a strategy for someone who wants to escape their current situation now. That's a strategy for someone who's already comfortable and just wants to maintain what they have. If you're young, if you're hungry, if you're sitting on $10,000 right now, your greatest advantage isn't money, it's time. But not time to wait, time to build. Your first $10,000 should not be treated like a retirement plan. It should be treated like rocket fuel, because that's exactly what it is. The difference between someone who stays broke and someone who breaks through is what they do with their first chunk of real capital. Most people play it safe and wonder why their life never changes. They wonder why they don't get rich. I'm telling you right now, playing it safe, especially when you're young, is the riskiest thing you can possibly do. So here's what I would actually do with that $10,000. I'd put the majority of it into developing high-value skills. Now think about this for a second. If you throw $10,000 into index funds, maybe you make 7 to 10% a year if you're lucky. That's $700 to $1,000. Cool. That pays for groceries for a few months, right? But if you were to invest $10,000 into leveling yourself up, into skills like copywriting, sales, running ads, personal branding, product creation, you can turn those skills into $5,000 to $20,000 a month within 1 or 2 years. And I'm not exaggerating. I've seen it happen over and over again. It's what I did myself. Skills pay you forever. And unlike stocks, they don't dip because of interest rates or some geopolitical drama happening on the other side of the world that you have zero control over. When you invest in yourself, you're building an asset that appreciates way faster than any market ever could. The return isn't 10% a year, it's 10 times your income. 10 times. And that income also gives you way more money to invest. Money you wouldn't have earned without developing the skills in the first place. So unless you're already making $10,000 a month, you should not be worrying about passive investing in the stock market and waiting for your money to magically work for you. You need to focus on active income creation. You need to become someone who can generate serious cash flow first. Then you can play the long-term investment game. But right now, you're not there yet. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Next, I would use the rest of that money to start an online business. And I know what you're thinking. Starting a business is risky. The stock market is safe. But let me break this down for you. Businesses grow wealth exponentially and quickly, while the stock market grows wealth slowly. An online business has leverage. You're not trading your time for dollars anymore. Your income isn't capped by how many hours you can work in a day. A good business can realistically produce $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 months once it matures and you figure out the system. And unlike traditional investing, the growth curve isn't slow, it's exponential, it's explosive. Most 7-figure entrepreneurs didn't get rich by waiting. They didn't get rich by dollar cost averaging into index funds over 30 years. They got rich by building something, by creating value, by solving problems at scale through a business. And then, once they had that excess profit flowing in, that's when they used some of it to invest and make their money work for them. But they had to build the money printing machine first. You can't skip that step. The wealthy understand this, the middle class doesn't. That's why the middle class stays middle class. Now here's the part that nobody talks about because it doesn't fit the safe conventional narrative. The average person who builds a serious online business can hit their first $1 million within 2 to 7 years. And no traditional investment strategy even comes close to that timeline. Think about it. People with normal jobs investing $300 a month maximum in the stock market will struggle to ever hit millionaire status before they're in their 50s or 60s. Maybe they'll never even reach it. However, entrepreneurs who commit to one business model, who stay consistent, who keep learning and reinvesting everything back into growth into their business, they can compress decades of wealth building into just a few years. Does entrepreneurship have higher risk? Some people will say yes, absolutely, but it has a dramatically higher upside. So if you ask me, I'd say that entrepreneurship is the least risky path because it's the path most likely to make you rich and quickly in just a few years. When you're young, the risk is actually low because you have time to recover from your failures. You've got energy. You don't have a mortgage and 3 kids depending on you yet. Waiting 30 years for compound interest to maybe make you comfortable at some point, not even rich, is way riskier if you just end up hating your entire life the whole time you're waiting. You're risking your youth, your energy, your best years, all for what? A decent retirement account? Well, that's insane to me. You only get one shot at this life. You don't get a practice round, so don't let it go to waste playing it safe when safe is actually the most dangerous path you could take. And if you're older, you're 30, 40, and you start investing in the stock market now, well, you're going to die before you reach that million. So the only way you're going to become a millionaire quickly within just a few years is by, again, starting a business. And the most profitable kind of business you can start, and also easiest, and that requires the least amount of money, is an online business. It's not easy, but it is easier. Here's a simple rule I follow for myself, and I think you should adopt it too. Invest a small portion of your money into the stock market if you want. Sure, put $1,000 or $2,000 in there, but invest the majority into becoming someone who's capable of making serious money. That's the real investment. Your skills, your knowledge. The purpose of your first $10,000 isn't wealth preservation. You don't have wealth to preserve yet, come on. The purpose of it is to turn yourself into the kind of person who can generate $10,000 per month consistently. Someone who's got valuable skills that the market pays a lot for. Someone who understands business and marketing and sales. Someone who can create opportunities instead of just passively waiting for them. Once you're actually making that level of income, once you're pulling in $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, then yes, absolutely put your money into things like index funds or the stock market. Put your money into real estate. Diversify your portfolio, maybe invest into crypto a little bit, protect your wealth. But in the beginning, you're not an investor. You are the asset. You're the thing that needs to appreciate in value. You need to invest in yourself. The sooner you understand that, the sooner your entire life changes. Because here's the thing, the number in your bank account is a direct reflection of the value you provide to the world. If you want a bigger bank account, become more valuable. Develop skills that people will pay serious money for. Build something that solves real problems at scale. Build a product or a service that solves people's problems at scale. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let me bring this all together for you. If I had $10,000 right now and I was starting from scratch all over again, here's exactly what I'd do to grow my wealth. I'd take $7,000 and I'd invest it into courses, coaching, books, mentors, anything to teach me high income skills or how to build a business. I would learn sales, media buying, social media content. Then I'd take the remaining $3,000 and use it to start my business. Maybe it's a service business where I'm doing that skill for clients. Maybe it's a digital product. Maybe it's a consulting offer. It doesn't really matter as long as you pick one of these. The point is to get in the game and start learning how business actually works in the real world by learning the theory, but also rolling up your sleeves and doing the actual work. You can read books on money all day long. It's not going to make you rich. Only action will. And yeah, I'll be honest with you. It's going to be uncomfortable. You're going to make mistakes. It's guaranteed. You're going to waste some of that money on things that won't work. But that's part of the process. You can't hope to win if you never fail. There's no success without failure first. That's just part of becoming someone who knows how to make money instead of just earning a paycheck every month. The sad truth is most people never even try. They keep dreaming about being wealthy, but they don't do what it takes to get there. They keep that $10,000 sitting in a savings account earning 0.5% interest while the inflation eats it alive. Or they put it into index funds and convince themselves they're being responsible while their life stays exactly the same year after year. Or worse, they spend it on iPhones and trips and stuff that will never make them richer. I'm not telling you to be reckless. I'm telling you to be strategic. There's a massive difference. Being reckless is blowing $10,000 on stupid stuff, on a new car, on clothes, on partying. Being strategic is investing that money into your future earning potential, into skills, into a business, into becoming someone capable of generating wealth instead of just consuming it. That's how you actually change your financial situation instead of just managing it. The game is actually pretty simple, but most people won't play it because they're too afraid of losing. But here's what they don't realize. By not playing, they've already lost. They've already guaranteed that their life is not going to change. So take that $10,000 and use it to build a financial empire now. If you'd like me to help you build a profitable online business, even with limited time and money, so you can quit your 9-to-5 and reach financial freedom, I've made a free training for you. It's the link in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step so you can get your first sales as quickly as possible. Now be quick, we have very limited spots for that. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.